What did I do wrong? There we go. Get it out early. Cut back. And we know there's something going on with this cutter. Hope it's not a defective bearing. I've had them. And you take the bearing out, you just reset it. It'll clear it up. So it almost feels like it's dragging. Fine. Let's take this off. Yeah, that's what it feels like. Maybe it's a good time to show how to change a bearing. Now this one, it's a little risky if you try to snap that. You want to come in here, give a little relief cut. Just to pull it off. It's going to pretty much guarantee you're going to have success with that break. All right, so I have little points I want to remove. Tickle on my throat. Yeah, see little shards right there. Hey, red water glass, you would think it's easy to cut. It's really not. It's a bit of a challenge to it. It's not the easiest glass. Alright, so at 21, I'm going to go right down here. And that's it. Let's see. I do have another green here. It's right here. That's it. Yeah, that's it. There we go. I don't know how everybody else feels about it, but this is like a nice, really nice olive green. Right? And I don't even know who makes it. It's got a worm type pattern in it. I've seen this before, but I forget who makes it. I have no idea. But I like the color, and against the ruby, let's put this down. I think it has a nice contrast for this. So I'm going to use this for all the leaves, just because. I don't want to use like a bright forest green, though. I mean, it would look okay. It's just that, sometimes the softer appeal is more appealing. Hope that made sense. And being I don't have much of leaves in here, yeah, 20, 17, 25, 22, there's not going to be that much of it. And if you look at the matrix of a poinsettia, the leaves are really part of the flower. So a reddish green would actually look nice here, or a green with red streaks in it. I don't have that. So we're going to go with green. It's going to be more surreal, but it'll look nice nonetheless. I'm looking at have other I'm just going to cut a small strip. I'm not into wasting glass, but sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. Just take off a little bit. I know it's here. Yeah, you can, again, spider web. You can put it off to a side, try to conserve a little bit of it like that. So, because like this piece here would come under here. That could actually be that one's going to be a leaf. That's going to be a petal. So 20 will be a leaf. So sometimes a good wrap will clean up that bearing. I think that's what's going on. Here we go, 22. Let's start up here. I'll do a little bit more explaining about the movements I do. Here you see I gotta come down, over and down. So you're kind of like riding a bike. I can feel the pattern. I come in, I shake a little bit just to get into where I gotta go. Shake it a little bit, come back, and then take off the end, leaving me what I want. So that little shaking is actually, excuse me, in conjunction with a twist. When I figure out what's wrong with this bearing, I'll be able to do better, but right now I'm at the mercy of this bearing. Now, I would not try to do that whole cut. I mean, you could, but you're really not going to get it. It's not going to break for you. So if you try that cut, you're going to leave a really big burr here. And if you did it in 2 sections with that swipe technique, it leaves you with a small burr here, which is a lot more manageable. Whether you got to, chip it off with your breaker grouser or with the carborunda. See, it left me here, but here, to have a nice low chipped area, where if I tried to cut it like this and break it, there was a good chance that you're going to get a large burr here. I hope that made sense. Take that off. Just getting ahead of to what you expect from the glass. And I'm doing a lot of this grinding with this carborundum that I really don't need to. But I kind of be thorough about it. Okay, 22. 22's done. Put it right